Therefore, they relied on a provision in the Election Act of 2017 to deny us a symbol. And there is a rule that the Election Commission has, which says that if you are denied a symbol, then members of the party who contest elections will be treated as independent candidates.
The bat symbol was very important because that has Imran Khan's imprimatur on it. So people were left guessing as to who was the PTI candidate.
PTI candidates ran as independents using different electoral symbols. With all these obstacles, it was expected that the party would not perform well at the February polls. But the PTI were far from defeated. Hamad Khan is a PTI supporter who volunteered as an observer in one of the polling stations.
The support from the people that came toward PTI was massive. It was a historic turnout that we were expecting, and the way people were talking to us, they were contacting us, they were telling us to stand with the Imran Khan ideology.
Now that sort of thing made people angry. They said, we will now vote for the man who is being persecuted. So in the attempt to disenfranchise PTI and Imran Khan, they accidentally made him the most popular politician in Pakistan.
Early results showed PTI-linked independents in the lead. But this optimism soon faded.
In Pakistan, the term often used is the management of elections, not necessarily rigging elections, but the management of elections is not new in Pakistan. This is a phenomenon that we've noticed many times in Pakistani elections.
As official results were announced, widespread accusations of vote rigging began to fly. At the heart of these claims are two pieces of paper, Forms 45 and Forms 47.
Now, the Form 45 is simply the result compiled by the presiding officer of a polling station at the end of the poll. It gives the votes received by every candidate at that polling station. So when you put together all polling stations in a constituency, you aggregate the number and you issue what is called the Form 47.
Salman Akram Raja is a PTI-affiliated candidate who ran in Lahore. He says the results of his seat were changed, denying him victory.
Fictitious Forms 47 were created, which had nothing to do with the underlying vote that had been cast.
So in my case, there's a lead of nearly 100,000 that emerged at the end of the polling through the Forms 45. So what they've done is, during the night, they created Forms 47, which is the aggregate result from all the polling stations, and this result is pure fiction. So they've given numbers to whoever they wanted to, whatever numbers they wanted to give.
Votes had been cast. There are dozens of examples.
The problem is that the scale of rigging is unprecedented. In the past, we saw that the rigging method is different. They stamp the ballot papers and then they stuff the ballot boxes, and then in the counting, they create problem and they get